Hello everyone, we are from DJ Venture Projects. Today we want to show you unboxing and details of wooden plywood. I was looking for some plywood for some small projects. Okay, so that I can cut and I can use. So you can see there are a lot of options are there, 16 to 24 inches to pack. So yeah, I searched in Amazon and there are a lot of options are there for plywood and small projects even. So ultimately I have chosen this. It is Woodcraft MDF sheet board 3.5 mm, which is having a good thickness and size of 20 centimeter to 20 centimeter, 6 pieces. So this ply I have chosen and it has good ratings. You can see it is 11 ratings and so it is quality they have mentioned, and I will go with some reviews and question and answer if possible. So question answer I am not able to find. Yeah, there is nothing, and this is a good product, value for money somebody has given. So it is 5-star is 52%. So and customer image is also here, that's fine. So I think I will use it. I just bought it and I ordered it on 30th August and it was came within 2 or 3 days, and the price is 170 rupees. I bought it this kind of same price. So it is also not much, I guess, and it's good for because 6 pieces, so I can cut and use and mix it.
This is the plywoods. I will just unpack it. I bought it from Amazon. Okay, then for some craft designing and so the packing is good and the product itself hard, so that's why they didn't put it in a box pack. They have just put it in plastics. Okay, so we'll cut it. So you see 6 boards are there, each of 3.5 mm. They have mentioned it 3.5 mm. It is appearing 3.92, but I think it is 3.5 only because of some irregularities in the surface. It is shown like that. And if you measure the length, it is 20 centimeter, exactly what they have told it. So I am happy with the product that whatever they have said, they have given exact things. Now we'll see when we'll cut it and when we'll fix it, how this material reacts, how it gets bonded so fast or slow, and moreover the strength of it. Then that would be very useful things.
Product links can be found in description box. All these videos are part of our projects, which is listed in this channel. If you think if any other details are required, please do comment and we will address. Also, please do subscribe and click on bell icon if you want to see more interested projects and details.